stiff wear. Woo! Stiff.
What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's Mikachu TV, and we're back with another video. If you guys haven't done so already, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on that post notification bell so you guys don't miss out on any videos that I post. And for my new subscribers,
Hey, bitch.
And for the returning subscribers,
Hey, bitch.
welcome back to the channel. And I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. In today's video, I will be showing you guys how to do the lip combo. So before we get straight to this video, just take the time out to subscribe to my channel, because if you ain't subscribed to my channel, know what you're doing. And what you're not gonna do, you don't want to go like, you don't want to do that. You just want to like give it a little pop, like get a little bit of that. So alright, you guys, if you guys enjoyed this video, let me know in the comments down below. And if you guys haven't done so already, make sure you guys put on your post notifications. Let me know in the comments down below if y'all guys want to see anything else or anything particular. Let me know in the comments down below. And just let you guys know, I will be trying to post more constantly, because I know I post and then I disappear and then I'll post again, but not gonna be doing that anymore. I'm gonna be, you know, posting, giving y'all content. And if you guys want like certain stuff or like certain videos you guys want me to do, also let me know in the comments down below, and I will straight get on that. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for turning into my channel. Like, comment, and subscribe to this video, and let me know in the comments down below what you guys think about the video.
Okay, bye.